morning and welcome to Kids Craft Corner with the Hocutt-Ellington Memorial Library. Today's craft is going to be a paper cardinal. It's keeping with the theme that we've got for birds this week. So what you'll need is the craft bag that you picked up from the library. And in that craft bag you've got some materials. You have got a paper template. And we'll be using this to trace onto our colors. You've got a strip of red paper. You've also got a strip of black paper, and you've got a little strip of yellow paper. Along with your craft templates and papers, you're also going to need a glue stick, a pair of scissors, and a crayon or pencil or something to trace your templates out onto the colored paper with. So you will start by cutting out your templates here, like so. And these two templates for the bird's red body are actually, they're pretty thin, so you should be able to cut these both out on your strip of red paper that we gave you. But if you make a mistake, it's okay to go find some red construction paper and fix it like that, or any other color. So once you have your templates cut out, what you'll do is put them onto your paper, and you'll trace it on there. And then cut that out. Just like that. So I already have the rest of the templates traced and cut out, and I'm going to grab them now and look at my instructions. So here we go. I've got my long piece of red, my shorter piece, my two little strips of black paper, and my one strip of yellow paper. Let me see which one fits. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is make our cardinal's body. So we will take our long strip of paper, and I'm going to glue the two ends together here using my glue stick. And we'll make a teardrop shape with that. This might need a minute or two to dry, so I'm just going to press it hard with my fingers for just a minute and let it sit there before I do anything else with it. So this is going to be the body, it's the bigger piece, and the smaller piece will be the head. Okay, so I'll go ahead and glue my smaller piece, doing the same thing. I'm going to glue this end here, and I'm going to touch the other end to it just like that, and it will stick because I've got the glue there. So now I have my bird's body and my bird's little head. So the next thing I need to do, now that I have these two separate pieces, is I've got to glue the head to the body in a way that looks like a bird. So this is going to be, for the head, this is going to be pointing up a little bit, and this is going to be pointing down. Because you know, when you see a cardinal, it's got that nice little cap, right? It's got that pointy head. So let me grab that real quick. I'm just going to stick a little bit of glue right here. Get it nice and good on there. And then I'm going to stick my bird's head right there, and I'm going to pinch it for a few seconds so that glue has a minute to really stick. So the next thing I'm going to do is make my beak. I'm going to put this on the table, let it dry right there. So I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to make kind of a triangle with my beak by folding it over into a little triangle. So I have to make a little 2 small folds in the middle of the paper so that I have a straight edge right back there. And then I'm going to put my little beak together. So I'm going to glue the back of this. And I'm not gluing his parts of the beak together. I'm just going to glue the back part right here to my bird's head. His beak is open while I'm doing this. It's got something to say. Okay. And he's closed. And if you want, you can glue your beak together, but I like mine to be able to sing. And the last thing you want to do is bend your little black strips of paper into feet, just like that. Just made a little L shape with my legs. Just like that. And now I've got to glue those to the bird's body. So what I will do is glue the top of this and kind of press it on, so it's going to end up kind of having a couple of folds in it. Now when you're at home, you're going to want your bird to dry a little bit, but then you'll have your paper cardinal. And if you look in your backyard, you might actually see some little cardinals out there. You can see how similar they are. And that's it for today. Thank you for joining us for Kids Craft Corner at the Hocutt-Ellington Memorial Library.